Hey everyone, it's lotolocktuesday. Welcome back to another Lotto Lock Tuesday. So I have here the Master Lock 410 that was given to me by Pickinparadise, and I'm going to try and pick this for you today. So I have not actually attempted this lock yet. I figured I would wait till I can film it for a Lotto Lock Tuesday to give it my first go. So this should be fun. There we go, that looks alright. So this one actually has a different keyway than the other 410 that I have. So that should make things at least a little interesting. I think I am still going to try bottom of the keyway tension. Nope, never mind. That is not going to work as well as it does in the other one. See, this, I've just got all this space down here, and tension wrench just sits wonderfully out of the way. Unless I can nest it in that, and no, it just rolls right out. So that's not going to work. Top of the keyway it is. Oh, that works well. Alright. Let's see what we got. I think I got a bit of clicking on 4 or 5 there. A couple more clicks. I think that was 5. Another click there. I think 6 might be set. Okay, got some binding on 4 there, I think. Might have gotten some clicks there. Oh, that was a good one. Hopefully that wasn't overset. 5 again. No, that feels overset. Okay, now I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, I did hear a pin fall back down. There's definitely some binding on, I think, 5. Oh, something just fell over there. Okay, that's another good click on 5. Okay, that was a good click. Somewhere back there. I think that might have been 6. Oh, that feels mushy and overset. Keep getting some clicks over and over on the same pins, but then they just get overset and they fall back down, and I get the same clicks on them again. Yeah, definitely oversetting. Yeah, I don't know what's going on in here, I'm sorry. Having a hard time feeling what these pins are trying to tell me. I'm still not even in a false set yet. Now I'm going to try something else. My other 410 responded really well to reverse picking, where you kind of lift up all of the pins and then like release the overset pins one by one until you're kind of in a false set. Can't even get the pins to go up. just a bad pick for the job. Yeah, definitely not having much luck with that tactic. Oh, that's a false set. Hello. Now we're on to something. And that is a counter rotation. And that is an open. Oh. Well, sorry I had to go silent there for a while I mashed my pick around in here. But I did get it open. I suppose that's got to count for something. Alright. Well, that was actually quite a bit tougher than I expected, but it was most certainly fun. Well, might as well show the key. Rather interesting bidding. Lots of very high cuts with a low one, it looks like in 4. Very interesting. Alright, well, I guess that wraps up Lotto Lock Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And don't forget to have a good one.